children, today we are going to read a play in English. What is a play? Play is a story in which there are different characters which speak their dialogues one by one. आपने अभी रिसेंटली हिंदी में भी एक प्ले यानी कि नाटक पढ़ा था जिसका नाम था थप रोटी थप दाल. प्ले यानी कि नाटक में क्या होता है, अलग अलग कैरेक्टर्स पात्र होते हैं जो अपने अपनी लाइंस बोलते हैं. तो ये द गिविंग ट्री भी एक प्ले है इंग्लिश में. सो लेट्स रीड दिस प्ले. द गिविंग ट्री. सो देर आर सम क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू. हाउ डू यू फील व्हेन यू हेल्प समवन? आप किसी की हेल्प करते हैं तो आपको कैसा लगता है? डू यू फील गुड और डू यू फील बैड? हाउ डू यू फील व्हेन यू शेयर योर थिंग्स विद अदर्स? जब आप अपनी चीज़ें किसी से शेयर करते हैं तब आपको कैसा फील होता है? रीड दिस प्ले टू नो हाउ अ ट्री फील्स व्हेन इट हेल्प्स अ बॉय. नाउ वी विल रीड दिस प्ले and we'll see how a tree feels when it shares its things with a boy, when it helps a boy. Let's see. Narrator. Once there was a tree and it loved a little boy. Every day the boy would visit the tree and enjoy its company. Tree. Come here, my boy, come and climb up my trunk and swing from my branches. Boy swinging from the branches. Ah, what fun. So once what happened? There was a tree and it used to enjoy the company of a boy. The boy would visit the tree every day and the boy would swing on its branches, climb up its trunk, and the boy used to have a lot of fun with the tree. Tree. Are you hungry? Eat my apples. Boy eating apples. How delicious. So, the tree gave its apples to the boy when the boy was hungry. Narrator. When the boy was tired, he slept under the tree. The tree was happy to give its shade, but time went by and the boy grew older and went away. So the boy used to sleep under the tree when he was tired, and the tree used to feel very happy by sharing its shade with the boy. But with time the boy grew older and he went away. The tree was often alone. After some years, one day the boy came to the tree and the tree was very happy. Tree, come my boy, come and climb up my trunk and swing from my branches. So after so many years, the boy came back to the tree and then the tree became very happy. Boy, I am too big to climb and play. I want to buy things and have fun. I want some money. Can you give me some money? Tree. I am sorry, but I have no money. I have only leaves and apples. You can pluck my apples and sell them in the market. Then you will have money. So, this time the boy did not want to swing from the branches of the tree. What did he want? He wanted money. The boy wanted money. But do you think a tree can give you money? No. But the tree suggested that the boy can take its apples and sell them in the market to get money. Narrator. The boy happily plucked the apples and carried them away. The tree was also happy. But the boy stayed away for a long time and the tree was sad. One day the boy came back and the tree shook with joy. So the boy took apples and then he went away. Again the tree was alone and he was very sad. But again one day the boy came back and the tree became happy again. Tree. Come, boy, come and climb up my trunk. Swing from my branches, eat my apples, play in my shade and be happy. Boy. I am too busy to climb trees. I am getting married and I need a house for my wife and children. Can you give me a house? Tree. I have no house, but you may cut off my branches and build a house. So, this time the boy did not want to play under the shade of the tree, but he wanted a house for himself, his wife, and his children. And what did the tree give? The tree said that you can cut my branches to make a house. Narrator. So the boy cut off the tree's branches and carried them away to build a house. The tree was happy. The tree was very happy. But the boy stayed away for a long time and the tree was sad again. And when he came back after some years, the tree was so happy that it could hardly speak. Now the boy was a young man. So after some years, the boy came back again and this time he was a young man. Come, boy, come. What can I do for you? Young man. I am going on a business trip. I want a boat to take me away. Can you give me a boat? Tree. All I have left is a trunk. Cut down my trunk and make a boat. Then you can sail away. Narrator. The young man cut the trunk of the tree and sailed away in a boat. The tree was left only with a stump. So what happened? Now this time this young man wanted a boat from the tree. But the tree does not have a boat. But the tree helped the boy by giving its trunk to the boy so that he can make a boat out of the wood of the trunk. The young man took the trunk, made a boat and he sailed away. And after a long time, the young man came back again. Now he was an old man, but the tree recognized him. Tree. I am sorry, friend, but I have nothing left to give you. My apples are gone. Old man. My teeth are too weak for apples. So now what happened? That boy, he grew into an old man. He was very old and again he came back to the tree. But the tree felt bad that it does not have anything to give to the old man now, because one by one the tree gave all of its parts to the boy, then to the young man to help him. Now the tree has nothing left. So it said, I do not have apples. But the old man said that his teeth are too weak for apples. That means he cannot eat apples now. Tree. My branches are gone. You cannot swing on them. Old man. I am too old to swing on branches. Tree. My trunk is gone. You cannot climb. Old man. I am too tired to climb. So now the tree does not have branches to swing, but the old man cannot swing as he is old and he is weak. Now tree said it does not have a trunk so that he can climb. Again the man said, I am too tired to climb. Tree sighing, I am sorry. I wish that I could give you something, but I have nothing left. I am just an old stump. I am sorry. So again the tree was feeling bad. He was feeling very sorry that it have nothing left to give to the old man. Only a stump. Old man said, Dear tree, you have always given, but now I don't need much, just a quiet place to sit and rest. So The old man said that I don't need much things now. I am very old and I just need a quiet place to sit and take rest. And the old man can rest on the stump of the tree. Tree happily. Well, an old stump is good for sitting and resting on. Come, friend, sit down and rest. Narrator. The old man did, and the tree was still happy. So now the old stump is also useful for the old man, as he can sit on the stump and rest. So did you see that this tree used to feel happy when he helped the boy? And at the end, when the tree thought that it has nothing left to give, it felt sad. मतलब कि ट्री को अपनी चीज़ें शेयर करके अच्छा लगता था, और जब लास्ट में ट्री को लगा कि उसके पास कुछ नहीं बचा है शेयर करने को, तो वो थोड़ा सैड हुआ. अब हम कुछ न्यू वर्ड्स देखते हैं. स्विंग. स्विंग मीन्स बैक एंड फोर्थ मूवमेंट, मतलब आगे और पीछे की तरफ जो मूवमेंट होती है उसे स्विंग कहते हैं. ब्रांचेस पे इसी तरह से आप झूल सकते हैं, उसको भी स्विंग कहेंगे. डिलिशियस. डिलिशियस मीन्स वेरी टेस्टी, ऑफ गुड टेस्ट, जिसका टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा हो. प्लक. प्लक मीन्स पिक ऑफ, जैसे ये ट्री से एप्पल्स प्लक कर रहा है, यानी कि तोड़ रहा है. ट्रिप. ट्रिप मीन्स जर्नी, to travel from one place to another. Sail. Sail means to travel in boat. Stump. Stump means this part of the tree which is left when the trunk is cut off. जब ट्रंक को, ब्रांचेस को सबको काट देते हैं तो ये जो लास्ट में पार्ट बचता है रूट्स के साथ, इसको बोलते हैं स्टम्प. The bottom part of the tree left after trunk is cut off. Recognized. Recognized मतलब पहचानना. To identify. Recognized means identified. Now let's look at the question answers. How did the boy enjoy the company of the tree? Answer will be, the boy enjoyed the company of the tree by swinging from its branches and eating its fruits. How did the tree help the boy earn money? Can you answer this question by looking at this picture? The tree helped the boy earn money by giving its fruits to sell in market. What did the boy make with the branches of the tree? You can take help from this picture. The boy built a house with the branches of the tree. What did the boy make with the trunk of the tree? You can take help from this picture now. How did the boy use the trunk of the tree? The boy made a boat with the trunk of the tree. The boy made a boat. How was the stump of the tree useful? How was the stump useful now? You can answer by looking at this picture. This is stump of a tree. How it is being used? The stump of the tree was useful for sitting. Why is the play called The Giving Tree? Why do you think the name of this play is The Giving Tree? So here is your hint. This is a tree where you can see its fruits, then you can see a house, then you can see a boat. Now answer this question. The play is called The Giving Tree because the tree in the play gave its parts to help the boy. The tree gave off all its parts to the boy. First its fruits, then its branches, then its trunk, and finally its stump to the boy to help him. So the tree was always giving. That is why the play is called The Giving Tree. Now read this lesson and complete its exercise. Thank you.